There's reports here of a tornado touching down in Texas state. It's north of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and the suburb or the town is called Princeton. The storms are moving eastwards, almost directly eastwards. There's also been a lot of reports of hail in the area, and anywhere between 1 inch to 2 inch size hail is being found, and that will be ping pong size, golf ball size, or larger. And this is the area that is taking the brunt right now. It's about sunset, early evening there. Now let's zoom out and take a look at the rest of the watch area for more tornadoes, because there was another one being reported in the area of central Missouri, and this is close to the area of the first tornado of this outbreak. That was in the St. Louis vicinity, actually to the western side of St. Louis. Bear with me here because a little bit slow. The internet connection's having some problems. It's windy in a lot of areas right now in North America. The jet stream's really coming across and pouring a lot of energy up into the central United States and the Midwest, and is probably going to funnel energy and precipitation into the Great Lakes area. There's already some snow coming down in Michigan in the lower section, and I don't know if it got into Chicago, but the Windy City is definitely windy right now. There's also a lot of wind going on coming across from here. You can see California also getting some cold, windy weather. Now, let's take a look at the location of the other tornadoes. Alright, as I mentioned, here is the other tornado that touched down in Rich Fountain, Missouri. So, I'm going to keep everybody updated because there's a big warning for an outbreak today and into the night. So, everybody has to be aware of what's going on. Find out what your exit plan is. Your safety is at risk unless you do something about it. Thanks, everybody.